Welcome to Chapter 8, Section 5. It's a problem-solving investigation. So, solve using benchmarks. A benchmark, let me skip over to here. This is an important piece for you to get down. That a benchmark is a measurement by which other items can be measured. Okay? It's just a way of using one thing to measure another. So let's add that in there. Okay? You use one thing to measure another. And so you could kind of assume that an average shoe equals 12 inches. That is kind of what we're dealing with here. So looking at this, use 200 grams of flour to make cookies, but all you have is a balance. It doesn't have any calibrations to show mass. You do have a package of rice that you know is 794 grams. How can you measure the flour? So you need 200 grams of flour. You know something that weighs basically 800 grams. So to understand this, we need to measure 200 grams of flour using a balance and a package of rice that is 794 grams. We have to use this to figure out this. Now, since the package of rice is about 800, you need to measure 200 grams. Divide the rice into 4 equal portions. Each portion will be about 200 grams. Then you use 1 portion of rice to measure an amount of flour with the same mass. So, balance 1 portion of rice and a cup of flour. Since you know 1 portion of rice is about 200 grams, adjust the balance, or adjust the masses until the two are balanced. Since 800 divided by 4 is 200, you know that the 4 portions of rice is about 200 grams by balancing 1 portion and so on. So you can look at those pieces. So take a look here. You need 2 1/4 cups of water for a casserole, but all you have is an empty 8-ounce soup can. Well, what you need to look at first, we need to describe how to measure this. Right now, cups and ounces, they're not equal. You have to know the conversion between them. So 1 cup is equal to 8 ounces. So that means all we have is an empty 8-ounce soup can. That means we have a 1 cup soup can. So to describe a way you can measure the water, well, we would do 2 full cans. All right, that would give me the 2 part. And then we would estimate a quarter of a can. Okay, and that would give me the 8 ounces, or I'm sorry, that would give me the 2 full cans and a 1/4 of a can to give me the 2 1/4 cup of water. Okay, so that was pretty quick. I want you to do on page 442, I want you to do problems 1 and 2. All right, try those 2 problems out, and in class, we'll do the rest of them. Good luck.